Picture this. It's Saturday morning. You need to get your dog buddy to the groomer. First, you wrestle him into the car. He's anxious, you're stressed. You drive across town, sit in traffic, and finally arrive at a noisy salon filled with barking dogs. You drop Buddy off, feeling guilty. It'll take hours. You run errands you didn't plan for, constantly checking the clock. The whole process is a headache, for you and your pet. The traditional grooming model is broken. It's built for the salon, not for you or your pet. Your pet waits in a cage, surrounded by strange animals and loud noises. Massive stress, especially for older or anxious pets. You're left juggling logistics, travel, and worry. You're paying for a service that adds stress to both your lives. There has to be a better way. Now imagine this. A professional grooming salon pulls up outside your home. It's clean, quiet, and one-on-one. No cages, no other barking dogs. The groomer greets your pet, walks them a few steps to the van. The entire focus is on your animal. The service is done efficiently, usually in about an hour. Your pet is calm, you're relaxed, and the job gets done with zero hassle. This isn't a fantasy. This is mobile pet grooming. For pet owners, it eliminates travel, waiting, and inconvenience. For pets, it's a safe, calm, personalized experience. For entrepreneurs, it's a massive business opportunity. You're not just selling a haircut, you're selling convenience, peace of mind, and a better experience. When you solve a real pain point, you create a business with real sustainable value. Mobile grooming does exactly that. It's a win for pets, owners, and business owners alike. The future of pet care is here, and it's parked right outside your door. Why settle for stress when you can have simplicity? The better way is mobile, and it's ready for you. Let's talk numbers. Americans spent over $147 billion on their pets in 2023. This isn't a niche, it's a booming industry. Pets are family now, and people spend on premium food, toys, healthcare, and grooming. The humanization of pets is fueling explosive growth. Even in tough times, people don't cut back on pet care. Grooming is seen as essential. That's why this industry is recession-proof. Mobile grooming sits at the intersection of two trends: convenience and premiumization. Today's consumers are busy. They'll pay for services that save time and hassle. Think food delivery, online shopping, at-home fitness. Mobile grooming is the same idea for pets. Customers aren't just paying for a groom. They're buying back their time and peace of mind. That's a value proposition modern pet owners love. The profit potential is huge. Mobile groomers can charge a premium for convenience with lower overhead than salons. No rent, lower utilities, flexible schedule, and a defined service area. With a smart plan, a single van can generate 6 figures a year. The demand is already there. The market is growing. You're delivering a superior service to customers eager to pay for it. Your van is your business, salon, billboard, and biggest asset. You have two options: buy a turnkey grooming van or convert a cargo van yourself. Turnkey vans are fast and easy but cost more. DIY saves money but takes time and skill. Essential equipment: a high-quality grooming tub, water heater, powerful dryer, adjustable table, and pro-grade tools. Infrastructure matters: robust electrical system, quiet generator or inverter, proper plumbing with fresh and gray water tanks. Ventilation and climate control are non-negotiable for safety and comfort. Legal requirements: commercial insurance, safe and well-maintained vehicle, code-compliant electrical and plumbing. Secure storage for tools is a must. Safety for pets comes first: non-slip flooring, proper restraints, first aid kit. Your van reflects your professionalism. A clean, safe, well-equipped vehicle tells customers you care. Don't cut corners. Your van is your reputation on wheels. Invest wisely and your business will stand out. The right van sets you up for success. And product. First, people. You're the face of the company, the groomer, driver, and customer service rep. Your passion and professionalism define your brand, but it's also about your customers. Listen, understand, and build relationships. Next, process. Efficient systems make your business run smoothly. Make booking easy. Online scheduling is a must. Plan your routes to save time and fuel. Use a consistent grooming process for safety and quality. Streamline payments for a seamless customer experience. A great process separates pros from amateurs. Finally, product. It's not just a haircut, it's the whole experience. Deliver a beautifully groomed, happy pet. Be on time, keep your van spotless, and communicate clearly. The customer is buying the total package. A great experience builds your reputation. When people, process, and product align, your business thrives. Customers notice the difference and come back. Master all three, and you'll build a business that lasts. Don't settle for average. Aim for excellence in every area. That's the foundation of real success. Starting a business is more than buying a van and clippers. You need a solid legal and financial foundation. Most mobile groomers choose an LLC. It protects your personal assets and looks professional. Insurance is non-negotiable: commercial auto, general liability, and animal bailey coverage. One accident without insurance could end your business. As a business owner, you can deduct legitimate expenses: fuel, supplies, insurance, marketing, and the van itself. IRS Section 179 lets you deduct the full purchase price of your van and equipment in the first year. This can save you thousands in taxes. Don't be intimidated. Build a team of experts. Find a good lawyer to set up your LLC. Hire a CPA who knows small service businesses. They'll help you with deductions, compliance, and smart financial decisions. Investing in professional advice saves money and headaches. Protect yourself, your assets, and your future. Get the legal and financial side right from day one. It's the smartest move you'll make. Trust is everything when you're handling someone's beloved pet. Certifications show you're credible and skilled, even if not legally required. Get certified by respected organizations and in Pet First Aid CPR. Display your credentials everywhere: van, website, business cards. Professionalism is in every detail: how you answer the phone, show up, dress, and communicate. Keep your van spotless and your interactions friendly. Build relationships with vets, trainers, and pet stores for referrals. Professionalism and trust turn first-time clients into loyal customers. Getting a new customer is great. Keeping them for life is better. Retention is cheaper than acquisition. Deliver exceptional, consistent service every time. Communicate, confirm appointments, follow up after grooms, and share feedback. Show you care by noticing details about each pet. Make rebooking easy. Suggest the next appointment before you leave. Offer loyalty and referral programs to reward repeat business and word of mouth. Personal touches matter. Remember names, birthdays, and preferences. A simple "Happy birthday, buddy" text goes a long way. Treat clients like family, not transactions. Build emotional connections. When clients feel valued, they stay loyal. Loyal clients become your best marketers. Consistency, care, and connection are your retention tools. Don't just groom pets, build relationships. That's how you create a business that lasts. Make every client feel special. Their loyalty is your greatest asset. Meet Sarah, a former vet tech who turned her passion into profit. Tired of burnout, she saw the stress pets faced at salons and dreamed of doing it better. She researched, saved, and invested in a turnkey van. She registered her business as an LLC and worked with a CPA from day one. Before her van arrived, she built her brand: logo, social media, certifications. She networked with vets and pet stores, offering discounts and building trust. Her first clients loved the service and spread the word. 2 years later, she's fully booked, has a waiting list, and hired help. Her income and work-life balance have never been better. Sarah's success came from combining passion, planning, and professionalism. She didn't just buy a job, she built a thriving business. Follow her example: blend your love for animals with smart business systems. That's how you turn passion into profit. We've covered the problem, the solution, and the opportunity. The pet industry is booming, and mobile grooming is in demand. But opportunity means nothing without action. Start with local research. Know your area's requirements and competition. Find your niche: large breeds, cats, elderly pets, or something unique. Build your team: a CPA, a lawyer, and trusted advisors. Research vans, equipment, and certification programs. Break your big goal into small, actionable steps. It takes hard work and dedication, but the rewards are real. You're not just starting a business, you're solving a real problem for people and pets. The road is open, the keys are in your hand. Get in the driver's seat and build your dream. Go make it happen.